So this is step 5 of the how to make a student check-in QR code. This is the part where I'm going to teach you how to add an email trigger using Formule. So you're going to go to the form responses. So you should have it open in a tab right up there. And then you're going to click add-ons. You're going to go down to where it says Formule, and it either should say launch or open. Since I already have it, it always just says open. Yours will probably say launch. Once you open it up, it's going to take you to this page first. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that it says Form Responses 1. When you open it, it's going to say off. You're going to go ahead and turn it on. You'll see behind me it added a trigger, which means that it's adding a column, and that's where it's going to show you whether it sent the emails or not. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to the templates. Now I'd already done this prior, so what it's going to say is it's going to say how many templates do you want to use. I just want one. I want it for template 1. You won't have to type that in because it'll just show it from there. Now it's going to give you all the options on when do you want it to be triggered. So I want it to be triggered when it comes to this, can I get your name or student ID number? Because these are the students who are filling out more serious check-ins, and I want to make sure that I know right away. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that it says not null. So you're going to type in not null, it's not going to be there, and you're going to want to make sure that it is in all caps. So it should look like this. Once it looks like this, you're going to go and push Save Template Settings. Then I'm going to go to the next part, which is Building and Preview Templates. It's going to give you all of the merge tags right here, so you won't have to write in any of this stuff. It's going to pull it by itself from the form when it sends the email. So the first thing you're going to do is put your address. So this is the place you want it to send the email. The next thing you're going to do is for the reply to, you're just going to put no reply. And then subject, you're going to put student check-in notification. So this is going to pop up in your inbox. You're going to know somebody filled out the check-in sheet, and it's going to give you all the information you need. So for the body, I just like to say, hello, you are receiving this email because a student filled out a student check-in form. So you can write something similar to it. You can write something different. I like to keep it like that so that way when I open the email, I know what it's for. I just have a lot of these going on, so it always makes it easier for me to know exactly what this is for. So once you've gotten to this part, what you're going to do is you're going to pull all the stuff that you want to use. So I want it to include some of these things. So I'm going to push timestamp. When I push timestamp, it's going to write it like this. It's going to have the timestamp already put in. So once somebody fills out the form, it's going to replace that with the actual time. But in this case, it's just, this is a template, so that's what it's going to look like. Then I'm going to push enter. I'm going to put, how are you feeling? Oops. Then I'm going to push enter again. I'm going to put, do you want to tell me more? Tell me why you're feeling this way. Do you mind telling me why you're struggling? Is it affecting your ability to do work? Would you like to meet with me? Could I get your student ID number? And then I just like to include the current date so that way I know when this was filled out so I can get a little bit of a sense of when this is occurring. So once you have all of this, then you're good on this part. So you have your email, no reply, student check-in, just your little blurb because this is what's going to show up to you. And then all of this is just adding merge tags on the side of here. So once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and push save and preview, and then it's going to show you what it would look like. So there's not really any information in there because I haven't filled it out, so it kind of looks weird. Once I fill it out, you're going to see how it populates. Then once you're done with that, you're going to push save and preview. Do not push the save and send all. Save and preview, then you're going to exit out. Then what you're going to see is it has template status, send status right here. So when I go to do a test run, it's going to show up here that it sent out the email and that formula is working. So in this case, we're going to stop here, and you're going to go ahead and close this video and open the next video, which is testing formula.